Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss the very new topic, frames. Till this, I have discussed basic format of HTML, basic text of HTML, list, ordered list, unordered list, nested list, similarly tables in HTML. Now, next topic, frames. Frames enable the user to divide a page into number of rectangular regions, area or windows of various size. Frame is like your photo frame. As you are having photo frame, you can add any photo in that. Similarly, we can make frames on the web page and we can insert any page in those frames. So frame also divide a web page into number of windows of various sizes or areas. We can think of frame as a window within another window. So what's the definition of frame? It is a window within another window. A web page can have one or more frames. Frames look similar to table, but they are not. They are more powerful. Frames are the division of window either horizontally or vertical. This is the definition of frame. Frames are window within window. You can divide your page with the help of frame. You can divide it into horizontal or vertical. As you can purchase a frame from market, it can be of any shape, any size. Afterward, you can if which kind of boundary is given, you can insert your photo. Similarly, on web page also you can create boundary, blank boundary with the help of frames on web page, and you can insert any particular text or page inside the frames. So now text for frames. First there will be the tag frame set. It is important to note down, frame tag नहीं लगाएंगे, first will be used frame set tag without space. It is the HTML tag used to create a framed page. This tag replaces the body tag. It is important to note down, inside the frames body tag, for using frames body tag is not used because frame is itself is a body, frame is itself a window, it itself is a area, so there is no need to have body for using frames. Simply that syntax will be HTML on head on title of head of, then frame set on, no need of body. Frame set on with attributes I will discuss later, rows or calls. Afterward text, frame set of HTML of. Now attributes for frame set tag. The frame set tag can have two attributes, rows and calls. Rows, as its name says, rows means it is used for making rows, calls it is used for making columns. So it specifies number of horizontal windows. Row means it specifies number of horizontal, because row is always horizontal, column is always vertical. Simple. Rows is specifies number of horizontal windows or frames, and value in the row attribute specify the height of the frame. Row means height. Calls, it specifies number of vertical windows, and values in the row attribute, here change, it will be calls, not rows. In the calls attribute specify the width. Column will be vertical and it will specify width. Rows will be horizontal, it will specify length or height of the frame. The values for these two attributes can be expressed using one of the following units. Yes, there are different methods for assigning values in rows and calls. As frame set on, calls is equal to, here we have taken 200, 400. It means we have divided the web page into two parts. One is of 200, second is of 400. Here we have taken the syntax of having calls attribute. So there will be two column on the web page. One will be small of 200 size, second will be large of 400 size. So here is the same written. Here the frame window will have two frames with the width as I told, columns will define width. Width of the first frame is 200 pixels. Yes, size, as monitor size is measured in pixels. Pixels means picture elements. Similarly, frame is also a window, na? So its size will also be measured in pixels. So here first frame will have the width 200 pixels, second will have width to 400 pixels. The sum of pixels of all the frames cannot be more than pixel size of monitor. Yes, you have to remember this. The sum of the total of the frames must not be exceeded to the monitor's size. Okay, it should be inside monitor. ये monitor के अंदर लगा रहे हो ना, monitor से बड़ा लगाओगे then how will it present on your web page. Okay, second option is as percentage. You can use percentage. As we know, 100% is the total sum, so you can give frame set either row or cols is equal to 20. Here we have given again two partitions, 20%, 80%. You can give any example like 40, 50, like 40, 60%, 50%, 50%. You can take any example. Okay, 20%. So here the frame window has two frames. Okay, because two partition are there. Where the height? By height, because you have taken row. Row में क्या आएगा? Height of first frame is 20% of the main window of the end second frame is 80% of the main window. Okay, total should be 100%. Last option we can have for measuring the value of rows and cols as asterisk. Here asterisk means remaining. You can give frame set any attribute rows or cols is equal to 100, 40%, asterisk. So here the frame window will have 3 frames. Yes, you can see you have divided the page into 3 parts, 100, 40, asterisk. So there will be 3 frames with the height. Why height? Rows की बात हो रही है. So height of the first frame is 100 pixel. You haven't given any particular measurement, so it will be 100 pixels, comma. Second of the height of second frame is 40%. Yes, you have given 40%. एंड अब आप मेजर नहीं कर पाओगे कि 100 हो गया पिक्सल, 40% हो गया, अब कितना बचा. यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेजर बिकॉज आपको कैसे मेजर करोगे. 40% आपको नहीं पता, 100 ले लिया आपने. सो यू कैन यूज स्टार. सो थर्ड विल ऑक्यूपाई द रेस्ट ऑफ द विंडो स्पेस. रेस्ट मीन्स रिमेनिंग. यू कैन गिव स्टार ऑप्शन just to say the server to have rest of the space when you are not able to measure it. Okay, then there should be angular bracket after asterisk. Just correct it. Text, then frame set off. Frame set tag off करना पड़ेगा आपको. So today I have told you about frames and I have told only one tag frame set with 2 attributes with the values of these 2 attributes. There are some remaining tags also for inserting web page. अभी web page नहीं बना है. You have just created a boundary or outer portion. Okay, I will tell how to make pages in these frames, how to insert pages in these frames. Okay, thank you for today.